Hello guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 22. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. Today we are going to start how to create the about page. You can see this is about.html. We are on about.html. Here we have to write the content for the about.html. Now first of all, let me give you some introduction about the about page. About page is what where you can write about your company. You can show the pictures of your team, their names, and also you can also write something about your team, about your projects, or something which you want to show here. So what I will do here, I will show you some pictures of the team members, then their names, and then some of the paragraph about the company. You can see company introduction. Now for this purpose, what I will do is, we are on the open.html. I will open the about.html page. This is about.html and about.html here in Dreamwork. Now this is the div, content div, where we have to work. First of all, I will write something here. I will save this and just check that whether we are on the correct position or no. You can see we are on the correct position. Now what I will do is, I will do what, as I have to show images, then name, then some company introduction. So first div will be for the images, second div will be for the names, and third div will be for the paragraph. Now here I will create three divs. You can see this is my first div with the closing tag. This one is my second div, the closing tag, and this one is my third div with the closing tag. So here we have to write the class names. For this purpose, I will write here about, like you can say image, about image, or you can write about member, right? And we can write here about member name. There should be no space in the class. And here in the third div, what I want to show here, I want to write some company introduction. So I will write here class, and for the company introduction I will write about intro. I will save this. So three divs are created. Now here how I can show the images. This is the div for the images of the members. So in this div I will write here image tag. I will write here image source. How I can write the image tag, I have told you in my starting lectures that how you can write the image tag. This is the tag source. I will click on browse button, and here I have downloaded these images just for your understanding. So I will click this first member, then I will write here image tag again, and here I will write source, and here what I will do, I will click on browse button. I will select my second member, then the third image, source, and here I will select third member, right? Here you can see the most important thing is the extension. The extension for first image is PNG, second PNG, and third is JPG. If I'm not going to write the exact extension here, then it will not possible for me to show you the image on the page. And the one more thing is this one, these images are saved in my images folder where we have saved all our images for this website, right? Now What I will do is I will save this and refresh my browser to show you whether we are working good or no. Here you can see the images is too big. First of all, let me show you this thing also. So what is the difference between the PNG and JPG? PNG image mean that there is no background for that image like this. There is no background, right? And the JPG mean that there is background for the image, like this image has a background. Whenever you will see image with the PNG extension, it means that there is no background for that image, and JPG means that there is background. Now what I will do is, because the image is too much high in my website, so we can control this with the attribute of width and height. I will write here width like 150, and we can also write here the height like let me write here 200. I will save this, and just to see that my first image is right, you can see first image is fine. Now what I will do is I will copy this width and height and I will paste it in my all images. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see three images are showing here. So in this way you can show your team members, like if you have more than 3, 4, 5, you can show the images of your members in this way. Now what I want to do is I want to arrange these images in the presentable manner, like there should not be space on here like here. So for this purpose what I will do is I have a class for this div. What I will do, I will put the CSS for on this div or on images, because I want to set the images. So I will put this class in CSS here, and I will have a space and I will write here image, because I want to write my CSS on these images. Let me show you first of all this thing in the CSS. If I will not write here image and I will write here space like width, like you can see 30%, I will write here 30%. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the width is implemented on the div, not on the images. To put the width on the images, I will write the class name and I will write space image. Here what I will do, I will write here space and image. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, as this is 100% width, so I will put here like not the 30%, I will write here 33%. I will save this, refresh my browser. 33% is bigger, so I will write here 32. Here you can see the image is looking very nice and good. So this image is PNG image with no background, so this is looking very good. So how you can convert your images of JPG into PNG, I will also tell you when we will start our Photoshop series. Right now I want to show the name here, first name, second name and third name. For this purpose what I will do is, in the about.html, this is the div that we have created for the name. So I will create 3 more div, right, for the name. This is my first div, like my second div, and here I will write the third div. Now I will do what? I will write the name like ABC TF, and here I will write what? XYZQ. I will save this, refresh my browser, but we cannot see these name under these images. Why? Because we do not have implement the CSS. How we can write the CSS? This is my main div class is here. Now in the style sheet, I will write the class with the dot sign, and here I have to write the class. What I will do is, first of all, I have told you so many times, whenever you are going to create the div, inside the div you have to put float left, right? Now in the style sheet I will write here float left, because I have 3 images, so I will divide the 100% width in 3 images. If I have 4 images, then I will divide the 100% width on 4 images to show you the 4 names, to show you the 4 images. As I have write image for 32%, if I will have 4 images, then I will definitely divide this width in 4 parts. So we have 3 images, so I will write here width like 32%, the same that we have write in the image tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. Now what I will do is, the most important thing that which I want to tell you, that we are going to show these CSS on the images. So in the about section, the CSS is implemented on this div, not in these divs. To show my CSS on these divs, I will write what dot about namespace div. And the second method is, I can write have one class also here. So the shortest way is what? You will write here space div. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the names are under the images. Now I can also put a space from top or margin from top. You can see, if I want these names on the right side, then I will write text align right, left for I will write left. So let me show you one thing more. I will write here margin top like 10 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the margin top is created. Now in the third div, what I have to show is some company introduction. So for this purpose, I will show you the dummy text. So this is the website for the dummy text. Whenever you are going to create the website, you can use this text. There is no copyright for this text. So I will put this text here and I will save this, refresh my browser. Let me save this. You can see we have not saved this. I will save this. Now it is saved, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is showing. Now what I can do is, I can show this text in presentable form. How? This is the class for this div. I will copy this class in CSS. Here I will do what? First of all, I will write here like margin top 30 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see margin top is not implementing here. Okay, let me check why is not implementing. Before that, I will do what? These texts are in the center line. You can see how I can do manage this thing. I will write here text align justify. Justify is property which I have told you in my last lectures, in the starting lectures. Here you can see. Now what I can do is, I will do what? I will put a padding here, padding 30 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the padding is used for what? For the inside space of the div, and margin is used for the outside of the div. So if I will remove this margin from here, what will happen? Let me show you this thing also. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see nothing is happening. Sorry, the paragraph is on the top because we have removed the margin top. So margin top was not showing because we have not the padding first. What is the difference between the margin and padding? You can review my first lectures. There I have told you everything thoroughly about margin, paddings, and each and every attribute. So here in this way you can see, you can also create here, right here heading for the company introduction, right here company introduction or anything in this way. So what I want to show is everything that we are working is in the container. How you can check that you are in container or no? You will press Control and minus button. Here you can see we are in the container. If we are not in the container, then this div will be there, this one is there, and these images will not showing you in the proper way. So we are on exactly doing good work. So what I will do is I will press Control plus, or I can, if I want to show here the 100%, which was my default percentage, I will press Control 0. Here you can see, so we are on the container. So hope you are understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, and if you like this video, please thumbs up my video and subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites. This is for all today. Thank you so much.